Hi, this is Adam with Wealth Investment Group Academy. I know it's been a while, but we've been working tirelessly behind the scenes, putting together a comprehensive guide for you focused on options investments. Specifically, we've taken our experience, our knowledge, and our strategies to deliver this online course for you to make it as seamless as possible for you to understand and play around with options investing. And to give you a sneak peek, we are calling this course the Options Value Investing course. And it is a series of online pre-recorded videos for you to go back and watch them as often as you need to. But again, very simple to follow and understand. In the course, we'll talk a lot about cash secured put options. In fact, it's a technique that we strongly believe in because we're able to make money regardless of the market condition. We will show you how to collect premiums by selling options and making perhaps 20% every year on your investment. Or perhaps you could even end up buying great stocks that you like for companies that you really like at a great price. We'll show you how to pick great companies, not just because of the headlines or what's in the newspapers, but we'll give you the tools to really understand the value of a company by looking at its intrinsic value. Now, that's just not a fancy term. In fact, it's a great tool that you will really get to understand so that you can understand the fundamentals of a sound company so that your investments are even smarter. Also, by using technical analysis, we will show you when to sell cash secure put options for the best timing for a better return. And we'll give you all by providing charts and trends for these individual stocks. And we'll show you how to set them up properly so that, again, you can have the best information available at your fingertips in a very easy to follow and understand manner. And by the end of the course, you will master the 3 rules of options investing. Rule number 1, only sell options on great companies with great business fundamentals. Rule number 2, ensure that they are undervalued. Rule number 3, act when they are near support areas. And that's just the start. We will offer a lot more great insights throughout the course. And now for some great news, I'm happy to share that in only 3 months, our course will become available on our website. In the meantime, continue to follow along, stay tuned for updates, and know this, we used to share all our option setups on YouTube, but we are now on Instagram. In fact, you should follow us on WealthINVG. WealthINVG, that's our Instagram handle. And we'll be posting, just for educational purposes, all our setups, all our option trades, etc. So you can see how this strategy comes to life. And remember, at our academy, transparency is fundamental and key. We definitely want to share with you all our knowledge, give you the best tools possible, but also we want to make sure that you understand what you're doing so that you don't lose money, right? So again, we encourage you to follow us on Instagram, WealthINVG, and stay tuned for more updates. And we'll see you soon, and hopefully you'll find our course valuable, available in 3 months on our website.